Hey guys, hi, my name is Angie and I'm coming to you with a new video. Okay, this is my first 2019 video. More content to come, so if you're a new subscriber, keep watching. All my old subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for the support. Definitely appreciate it. And today's look is, I'm going to show you how I achieved this messy but cute bun. Also, in the meantime, while my hair is in this bun, I'll actually be deep conditioning. So it's kind of like a multi-use style. And this lipstick is called Pumpkin Rose. Okay, it's from Rihanna's new Fenty lipsticks as a matte finish. Very different for me. I actually normally stay with like very neutral colors. So today I wanted to have a little fun. It's a new year. I'm not going to be like new year, new me, but you know, let's spice it up. Let's do some different things. Anyway, I'm done chatting. Check out the video.
So I'm starting out on freshly washed hair, but my hair's been in a towel, so that's why it basically looks dry hair. I'm spraying it with some water, just putting some moisture back into it. And then I'm just kind of putting it in the bun just to see where I want to place this bun. I'm adding Ouidad's Ultra Nourishing Intense Hydrating Mask, and I'm basically using it as leave-in as well as a mask. I'm spreading it throughout the perimeter of my hair and then throughout. This mask is very nourishing, and like I said, it can be used as a leave-in, so this is how I'm deep conditioning my hair essentially while I have it in this type of protective style. So it gives it like a multi-purpose use basically. So for some extra hydration, I'm adding Dr. Phil's Argan Oil. Basically putting it throughout my hair, but mostly focusing on the ends. So I'm just kind of making sure that my ends are well moisturized, spraying it throughout. So now I'm adding Garnier Fructis Curl Treat Jelly Shaping Leave-In. That was a mouthful. This product has a very gel-like consistency. It's very sticky. So basically a little bit goes a long way, especially with my type of hair. I didn't use it as a styler. For me, it worked best to use as a gel, like how I'm using it to kind of sleek back a style, because for my curls it didn't provide the type of definition that I like. I received this product complimentary for reviewing purposes by influencer, so thank you influencer, thank you Garnier Fructis for letting me try out this product, and yeah. This is the really fun part of trying to put your hair in a bun. What an arm workout. I kind of just leave these ends here and then add some more oil and basically apply it to these parts and then tuck it in. I like to use a couple hairpins just to kind of keep the bun in place. So I'm just placing them there in a couple places just to secure this bun. Yes. So here I'm just kind of fixing everything, making sure everything is in place to how I like it. Doesn't have to be perfect because this is kind of like a messy bun. So I just want it to look somewhat decent. Now I'm taking Mixed Chicks Slick Styling Tamer and I'm just applying that to my edges. Mostly using my fingers really to apply it. Keeping that part just kind of smooth, and then going back in with the same brush just to make sure that it's sleek in that area. And this is the finished look. I really love doing this style, basically for those days when I don't want my hair all over the place, you know? And I also am deep conditioning while it's in this style, so it's a great multi-use. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time.